Today I'm going to be sharing with you my family recipe for Boston baked beans. It's perfect for barbecues, potlucks, any season, any time of the year. So you can either bake these in your oven or in your crock pot. So today I'm putting them in my crock pot.
So this is a very versatile recipe. You can add any bean that you like in it. I start with a pound of ground beef. I just brown it up. I chop up some onions, and then I add bacon. This is pre-cooked bacon, ready to go. Brown sugar, and it's to taste. And then I like to use 2 big cans of the original Bush's baked beans, 2 cans of Great Northern beans, and 2 cans of kidney dark red beans. Sometimes it only takes 1 can of each. You're gonna add a little bit of mustard, a little bit of ketchup. Also, you're gonna need a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. So just start loading your crock pot with your beans. And I do play this by eye to see how full it's getting. Sometimes I'll use 2 cans of the white beans or 1 can of the kidney beans. It's just all about the room that I have. Then I add my onion in and dump that ground beef. Make sure you drain out all the grease. Brown sugar, I start off with like 3 or 4 tablespoons, and then I'll taste it later and see how much it needs. Then I'm gonna take my bacon, crumble it up, add it in. With some of the juice of the beans, I'll mix in some cornstarch with it and then pour it over and then just mix it all up. Also add in your ketchup and mustard. I honestly just eyeball this. I just start squirting in some ketchup, more ketchup than mustard. It's to taste. I really don't measure, I'm sorry you guys. I really don't have a time for how long you should cook it for. You're just heating it through. I just start it in the morning and let it cook all day and we're good to go. You could cook it on low for 3 to 4 hours or high for 2. You can also cook these in your oven, but I love them in my crock pot.
If you make baked beans, what do you put in them? Bye!
Toodles!